This video is about the 19 essential items you want to have in your personal kit. So let's just jump right into it. Glow sticks, N95 mask or KN95 mask, hand warmers, an emergency blanket, an emergency poncho, some hand sanitizing wipes, leather cuff gloves, a flashlight with batteries, and last but not least, a whistle. And what you're also going to want to put in your personal kit is a toiletry kit. So here are 10 items you definitely want to put in there. Toilet paper, some baby wipes, a travel-sized toothbrush and toothpaste combination set, a comb or brush, Kleenex, deodorant, soap and a hand towel, hand sanitizing wipes, and last but not least, toilet bowl lighters. For the purposes of this video, I'm putting together a personal kit for one adult for 6 days. Items such as glow sticks, hand warmers, face mask. I opted to put 6 or more of these items in there, so I at least had one per person per day. If you're a female, you're definitely going to make sure you add some products that you need personally. I definitely recommend, if you can, put all your loose small items in a Ziploc. That way it's going to stay organized and not be moving around in your emergency kit. So that's it, neighbors. I would love to hear your feedback. Please drop me a comment. And if you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And you have a great day.